Hello children. Today in SST, in this video, we are going to start our new chapter. Chapter 6, People Who Help Us. Children, we live in a society where various kinds of people live together, and we all are helpful to each other in some or different way. Today in this chapter, we will read about all those different community helpers who help us in different way and make our life comfortable and easy. Rather than, we will also read about child labor, about different type of division of labor, and we should learn that we should value and respect the work of others. No matter how much big or how much they are small, we should respect the work of every community helpers. Open page number 48 in your SST book. Children, the topic is community helpers. Now, what does this community means? Community means all the people who live in a particular area in a group together and which help us to lead a comfortable and easy life. Community helpers are those people who help us in many ways. They make communities cleaner, safe and more good for the people. Now, one by one we will see about different community helpers and how they help us. See, a vegetable or fruit vendor is a person who sells us vegetables and fruits. Students, you might visit to a market with your parents or sometimes in your locality also. Many vegetable sellers and fruit sellers come. They sell fruits and vegetables, and that vegetables and fruits we use to eat. So they helps us by giving fruits and vegetables for eating, as fruits and vegetables keep our body healthy. Number 2. Nurses and doctors look after sick people in the hospital. Children, whenever you go to a hospital, whenever you feel sick or somebody in your family are admit in the hospital, you see, doctors look after that sick people. They give medicines, sometimes they give injections and all, and after that nurse take care of you. So in a hospital, nurses and doctors look after us when we are sick. Now come to page number 49. A pilot is a person who flies aircrafts to transport people from one place to another. Many of you may visit abroad, out of the country or some distant place through flights, aeroplane. So who manage that flight? Who is running that flight? A pilot is a person who flies that aeroplane to transport person from one place to another. Next, a grocer is a person who sells us small household goods like grains, pulses and spices. Grocer, maybe in Hindi you had listened, ration ki dukaan. So a grocer is that person in the shop who sells who sells pulses, spices, rice, wheat, etc. A police officer is a person who protects us and keep us safe. Whenever you visit to a fair or whenever you go to see some places, you see there are police officers, and police officers are those person who protect us from thief, from all kinds of criminals, and they keep us and our country safe. A mason is a person who helps in building our house. Children, you all are living in a very luxurious house made of bricks, cement, tiles, marbles, etc. So, what do you think? Who had made this house? A mason is a person who build our houses in which we are living. A baker is a person who bake cakes, pastries and biscuits. I know you all like these bakeries product like cake, pastries and all, right? So, in a bakery shop, in your birthday you cut cake. So, who made this cake? A baker is a person who make cakes, pastries and biscuits. An electrician is a person who repair light bulbs, switches and electrical goods. Whatever kinds of electrical goods are there in your house and wherever, electrician is a person who repair all kinds of electrical goods. A carpenter is a person who make furniture with wood. Like in your home, you are having different kinds of table, bed, sofas and all. So a carpenter is a person who is making all kinds of furniture with wood in your house. A gardener waters and prunes plant. What is the meaning of prunes? Means they trim and they cut all the unnecessary branches and stems of the plant. So, who look after the trees and plants in a garden? Gardener. A plumber is a person who repairs sanitary pipes. In your bathrooms, in your kitchens, different kinds of taps, different kinds of pipes and water pipes are there. Means sanitary pipes. Underground sewage system is there. So who is making and take care of all these sanitary pipes? A plumber is a person who repairs all these kinds of pipes. A firefighter puts out fire. Whenever there is a fire, a firefighter puts out this fire. In a school, a teacher teaches children in a school or a college. So children, you all have seen, we had learned about so many kinds of community helpers like vegetables and fruit vendors, nurses, doctors, pilot, grocer, police officer, mason, baker, electrician, carpenter, gardener, plumber, firefighter, teacher. So they all are the different kinds of community helpers who help us in our day-to-day life activities in one and a different way. So, in page number 49 of your SST book, look at the pictures given and write the name of these professions. This you will do in your book. Clear, students?